So, hello guys. Let's get ready for another hashtag Friday Sews. Thanks for coming. Sweet inspirations to all. So, let's start with and talk about S9707, which is a easy to sew blouse. Which is incomplete at the time. Okay, this is the progress so far on this blouse, which is Simplicity S9707, are easy to sew. This is pinned together so far. Here are the organza, one of the sleeves, and your little pleats there, minus the collar, the cuff, and buttonholes. This is as far as I've gotten with this blouse. I pinned it together to let you all see how it was coming along. It's in the working. This is the back portion with your pleat here and your organza here. And it would have the organza sleeves on both sides. And then you would have your buttonholes come down the front. Collar's going to be all of the same cotton poppet material. And the other sleeve goes on that side. So that's what's happening with S9707. Now, as far as these seams, I'm going to do French seams on them because the organza is so thin and you can see through it, and the French seams make a nice finish for it. Also, up here, anywhere that the organza is and you can see the seam, I'm gonna attempt to French seam them. Cuff goes on the end of this portion, and then I probably will French seam that so too. I did a mini haul from Mart Fabric, and this material here is a cotton shirting material, and it's 46 inches wide, and it's machine washable. It's a shirting, and you can see the colors. Next, we have this polyester cotton. It's yellow, and it's 62 inches wide. And it's machine washable. Kind of thick material. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with any of this yet. But it's a cotton. This is some beautiful material here. And it's a, what is it? It's a polyester. Very beautiful, flowy, and lightweight. Beautiful colors. And also 2 yards. Next, see, I'm moving into all spring and summer fabrics now. This is a beautiful, beautiful one too. Look at the beautiful colors. And this is a polyester floor print. And you can wash it in the machine. It says gentle wash. Very beautiful, flowy. Beautiful. Then there's one more. I thought this was nice. This is a fluid thin one, and it's a georgette, and it also calls for a gentle wash. Very lightweight. And it's 3 yards of this. These fabrics were on sale at Mart. Well, we have come to the end of my Friday sews. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate you all. And thanks to all the subscribers who supported the channel and everyone who has supported the channel. But remember, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. These things we need to do to help the channel to continue to grow. I appreciate your support. Sweet inspirations to all. Bye now.